I quickly just wanted to explain domains and web hosting because it seems like a lot of people don't quite understand this concept. So I just want to make a quick video and lay this out. So if you have a website that you expect to populate on a computer screen or a phone screen or whatever, when someone goes to whatever.com, right, you need to own that domain. So that's one piece of the puzzle. And then you also need to have your website files hosted on a server so they can be called for and retrieved and displayed on the computer screen when someone goes to your website, right? So we recommend Namecheap for your domain, and we recommend our hosting, which is on an AWS server by Amazon. So if you are comparing our hosting to, say, GoDaddy's, we will literally save you $256 per year, give you exactly what GoDaddy gives you for $256 more, and you get better hosting. So, I mean, GoDaddy is the worst of the worst, in my personal opinion, at everything they offer online. They are 100% the best in their niche at marketing, and that's why everyone ends up with them and then literally just get screwed out of hundreds of dollars a year for the rest of their lives or the rest of the time they have their website on the internet. So if you don't want to get screwed by GoDaddy, call me and let me hook you up and get you set up right.